JCI Manila is hosting the symposium. It's because we want to empower the families through occupational therapy. So dito sa Philippines, alam niyo po, kulang na kulang. So we wanted na maging mas more aware sila sa mga possibilities at paano makakatulong, no, yung pag-consult sa mga OT professionals.
We're here to raise awareness of how occupational therapists in the Philippines can support families and empower communities in order for them to participate in their daily lives regardless of their disabilities and their health conditions. We're also going to be promoting our first book that is written by Filipino occupational therapists for the Filipino community entitled Occupational Therapy in the Philippines, Theory, Practice, and Stories.
Alam ko yung struggle as a mom, as a parent na merong child na may autism. Kung magkakaroon ng gantong symposium awareness sa bawat community, malaking tulong to.
It's very impactful, especially for the parents and the educators